Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, gonna be drinking. Look, smoking. Look, swearing. Look, you have been warned because they're coming 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Look. Bang! Welcome everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth. And the greatest show in the multiverse. Yes. Look. Yeah, you thought Earth was big enough. Yeesh. Not big enough for this shit. We need the multiverse. Look. You're welcome. All right. We have a great show for you today. Bye. So look. Qtum. All right, we're going to talk about Qtum. They got a little hard fork that went live. Bye. I'm going to talk about that. I've never talked about anything about Qtum. I know it's not revenue generating, but I don't know. I don't mind hard fork talk. You know, as long as you got a mainnet, I'll chat a little bit about your mainnet. It's like when I do Cardano stories, it's not revenue generating, but Shelly, here's quantum proof. You know what I mean? It's good stuff. So look, and then then next, settle down, Shomari. All right, then next, we have a new, we'll see, motherfucks, a new Bitcoin ETF filing. Now, it's a little special because the guy who's doing the filing, he's done this shit before. And so I'm going to get into that. I'm going to tell you guys about this guy. He's built one. Anyway, I'm going to tell you about that guy when we get there. And then Bakkt volumes up. Are institutional investors buying the dip? Well, I'm sure they are. They're not idiots. They buy the dip. Look, buy the dip, idiots, BTDI. So look. And then I want to thank you all for the kind comments about, me and the situation I got going with my grandmother about to pass and stuff. And, you guys, touched my heart and everything. And thank you a lot. And so I'll just give you a little update. She's coherent. So she's talking today. Right now it's 9:44 a.m. or 9:14 a.m. My sister's going to set up a phone call with her. At the hospital because my sister's already there. A bunch of family's already there, so I got to get there. And she's going to set up a little phone call with me and Grandma. So I'm going to talk to Grandma. She'll at least get to hear my voice. And then on Saturday, right after this show, boom, I'm going to say, look, over now, bang. And then head right over to the airport, head on up to the Daytona Beach and see her in person. Let her touch me, kiss me one last time and stuff like that. And, well, I hope it's not one last. I hope something works out. But, it doesn't sound like that's going to happen. So let her, I'm her only grandson. Yes. So look. We're going to do that. So thank you guys all for the love. And like I said, I'm going to bring a camera. I'm going to bring the laptop. I'm going to bring a microphone. Well, a camera, microphone, laptop. And we'll see, how it goes, all right? So thank you guys so much for the love. And, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate that, When you see me in the Saturday show, like, damn, Shomari, you look, well, I'm going to have to clean myself up a little bit. I can't go to fucking visit my grandmother looking like this. Look, but that's all right, because right now we're going to do some buy. Yes. Yeah, that's how we're going to do it. Then we're going to buy. Yes. Then we're going to refresh. These refreshes today weren't nice. Yeesh, look at this piece of shit right here. I know, fucking Bitcoin, just a slow drizzle down. I'm not, I don't care about it, but fuck's sakes. What they're saying is, BitMEX, a bunch of guys on BitMEX got liquidated. I guess that was yesterday. And that's what caused the major thrashing here. All right. Yeesh. All right, brothers. Look. Oh, right. So the price of Bitcoin is $7,500 even right here and 86 cents. And yesterday when I left you, we were at 8,035. So we went down about $465. Yeah. Anyways, man. Look. All right. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects, brothers. Look. Top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Binance Coin, EOS, Bitcoin SV, and Stellar. Still holding on to number 10. Market moves of the day, brothers. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up to single digits down. Single digits up to single digits down. Single digits up to single digits down. 2. Single digits up to single digits down. All right. Look. See the top 10 lose of the day, brothers. Look at this crazy ass chart right here. Wait. Look at this one. Buy. Look. Holy, that's what. Oh, and again, down here on this one, True USD and Paxos Standard. Oh, some guys were doing some shenanigans. That is shenanigan chart look right there. Oh, and USD coin too. Some guys were doing some shenanigans. All right. Oh, and again on Tether. Oh, so all these stable coins. Tether did it. Hold on, check this out. Tether. USD coin. Paxos Standard. I don't know why they spiked like that. And then True USD. All right. Let's see if there's any more. All right. That looks like some shenanigans to me. Look, brothers. Top 10, bottom 10 of the day. You see anything on here you like, you go get it because they are on sale. Buy. Biggest losers of the day. Newton, Zcoin, Icon, Energy, Digibyte, Swipe, FTX token, Golem, and PundyX. That's who made money today, brothers. Buy. Yes. Max. Top 10 winners of the day, brothers. XMax, Eternity, Chainlink, Tyrion, Synthetics Network, Qcoin Shares, Omisco, Quant, and Solve. Let's look at the total market cap of the day. What are we working with? 20 what? 205.2. All right. Look. Yeesh. Okay, I see. 205.2. And yesterday we were at 217.6. So that is a drastic drop. That is a $12.4 billion drop in one day. And I mean, people are saying the BitMEX thing. They're saying that these guys got liquidated hard. They got stopped out hard. I mean, I don't know what the thing is, man. We'll see. Anyways, in total, 24-hour volume is 74.2. Oh, okay. So I see. Yeah, exactly. And yesterday we were only at 58.3. So we went up fucking, what is that? 16 billion in volume today. So it was some heavy profit taking and some heavy action and dudes taking their money out. Well, look, that's how it goes sometimes. You know, I don't like this. I'm not a fan of this. We're getting a slow trickle down, right? We got all the way up to 14 grand, right? And then it's just been a slow trickle down ever since. I mean, we're still up over 200% on the Bitcoin for the year. And like I said, I don't care about price because obviously, you know, we got to wait for the institution to arrive. I mean, I really don't care about price on the small caps. That's just nonsense. But this Bitcoin one, it's getting a little annoying. I'd like to see it slowly rising. You know, we're slowly declining every so often. All right. Look, brothers. But I have good news to come later on in the show, so don't worry about it. Look. Buy. Qtum. Buy. First ever hard fork. Qtum 2.0 is now active. All right. Check out the hard fork in Qtum. Look. Major proof of stake. Blockchain. Qtum has gone through its first ever hard fork today. Buy. Updating the network to Qtum 2.0. Nice. Major network upgrade. Qtum blockchain has had its first hard fork as scheduled. Qtum official tweeted on October 17th. I know this is the story. I had this for a while, but look, the hard fork happened at block 466,000, upgrading the Qtum network to unlock a number of significant features such as smart contract and block spacing improvements, as previously announced by the firm. According to Qtum Blockchain Explorer, Qtum Insight, the number of blocks on Qtum blockchain has crossed the 466,000 mark, amounting to 466,621 at press time. All right. 4 QIPs activated. So, as Qtum previously announced, the purpose of the hard fork is to upgrade the Qtum blockchain, not to produce a new coin. Yes. Specifically, Qtum 2.0 activates 4 Qtum improvement proposals, QIPs, that introduce a number of performance enhancements and new features. Those QIPs include QIP 5, add significant verification to the output script of the contract transaction. QIP 6, add BTC, recover precompiled contract to the Qtum EVM. Number 7, upgrade the Qtum EVM to the latest Ethereum EVM, Constantinople. And then finally, modify the difficulty adjustment algorithm to make the block time more stable. All right. Look, I hope you understood all that. I didn't. Qtum recommended that users of all I care, do you make money with this or what? Look, Qtum recommended, great nerd. Now, are you making money with this or what? Look, Qtum recommended that users update to version, so if you're a Qtum user, update to version 0.18.1 as soon as possible, noting that the new features have been enabled automatically as of block 466,600. So the firm warned that sending or staking coins with an old version wallet after the hard fork will lead to a temporary loss of the coins. So if you're a Qtum hodler, make sure you get the new version. Yes, you got to get rid of that old version, or look, it will lead to a temporary loss of the coins. Yes. Anyone experiencing that? VeChain. All right, VeChain, right? That company, the company stopped with the ledger thing, and so now we're stuck. We can't move our VeChains yet until VeChain comes out with the what is it called? Sync. I think that's what they're going to use for the ledgers. So, yeah, all this kind of crap. All right, guys. So look. And then prices. We don't talk about prices here. So look, bang, major upgrade, Qtum hodlers. Well, aren't you guys lucky? Aren't you a lucky bunch of Qtum hodlers? Qtum lovers. Congratulations to you. Bang. All right. Let's go on to here. Boom. All right. New Bitcoin ETF proposal filed with the SEC by Gold Fund veteran. Now, this guy here. So, look, man, I'm not going to get too excited about these ETF bullshits anymore with the SEC. Because nothing's changed, right? Like the SEC keeps denying everyone because of market manipulation. Well, that hasn't changed. You know what I mean? Like there's still not enough liquidity here to satisfy the SEC's concerns on market manipulation, right? So I'm not going to get all happy about this one. But I mean, I want you to be happy in that you see, like, if you ever have any doubt, oh my gosh, man, is this stuff going to work? These guys don't apply to the SEC for nothing. It costs millions of dollars just to apply to the SEC. It's not, you hire some fucking little lawyer down the block and he just fills out a paperwork for you and sends it in. It doesn't work like that. You have to hire super special lawyers. These guys are probably $1,000 an hour lawyers. And you need like a team of them because they all each have their expertise in, whatever, expertise they have in terms of markets. And so that's how I know. Even though the ETFs are getting denied, the fact that these guys keep applying and reapplying shows you they know the hunger is there. Oh, they know the hunger is there, right? And so they're willing to look at the Winklevoss brothers, right? I mean, I don't know how much an ETF application costs, but I'm sure it's probably something like around, $5 million, $1 to $5 million, something like that. Like once you get it all done, once you paid the lawyers and all this and all this and all this. Yeah, man, they keep reapplying. And so that's why Shomari, man, when is it going to come? I don't know when it's going to come, when the tsunami is going to come, but I daggone know there's one because guys like this just don't go blowing money. Millions of dollars on an application for something. Oh my gosh. So that's what I'm telling you. Have confidence, guys. Yeah, fuck. It's taking a long time. It's getting annoying. But look. It's on the way. It's on the way. So, let me just get a couple sips and then we'll head into this. Oh yeah, and the guy who did this, he's special. He did the first gold ETF. Anyway, we'll read it. I'll show you. Yeah, like he did. You know, yeah, he's like a pioneer, I guess, of ETFs. All right, let's do this. Look. Delaware-based asset manager Qtum investment advisors applied with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, those motherfuckers at the SEC, to launch a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, on October 15th. So, a Bitcoin ETF on the New York Stock Exchange. According to the filing document published by the SEC, the Qtum Bitcoin ETF Trust is meant to be traded on the New York Stock Exchange. On the New York Stock Exchange. That's hardcore. ARCA. Actually, so was Bitwise, which is also hardcore. Notably, the ETF product is designed to provide exposure to Bitcoin at a price that is reflective of the actual Bitcoin market, where investors can purchase and sell Bitcoin, less the expenses of the trust's operations, less the fees. The company plans to hold Bitcoin and value the shares of the trust according to the Chicago Mercantile Exchange Bitcoin reference rate. So, you notice how the CME, they have their futures, right? Yeah, nothing's gone wrong, right? There's been no market manipulation or anything like that for those futures, not that we've heard of. And so these guys are saying that they're going to get their price discovery for their trust from the CME. So the CME, right, they offer futures. They're going to get their price from the CME futures. All right. So the cryptocurrency will be held as an unspecified third-party insured custodian. Of course, you got to have it at a third-party custodian. You can't just hold that shit yourself. That is also regulated under the Investment Advisors Act of 1940. Look, the SEC filing also details that the trust will hold Bitcoin in seeking to ensure that the price of the trust shares is reflective of the actual Bitcoin market. However, the trust will not purchase or sell Bitcoin directly, but will acquire it via shares called baskets. So this part here, I'm going to read it, but I have nothing to say about it. I've never heard of something like this. So they're not going to actually buy Bitcoin, but they're going to go through this thing called baskets. The report continues. Instead, when it sells or redeems its shares, it will do so in-kind transactions in blocks of 100,000 shares called baskets at the trust's net asset value, NAV. Only authorized purchasers may purchase or redeem shares with the trust. I'm assuming that they mean accredited investors, big-time money people. And they will do so by delivering Bitcoin to the trust in exchange for shares when they purchase shares. I've never heard of something like this. So a notable executive. So here's about this guy. I wish I could explain that to you guys, but I've never heard of something like that. Another notable detail is that the head of exchange-traded product at Qtum is Jason Toussaint, former managing director of the World Gold Council and asset manager of Spider Gold Shares, one of the largest gold ETFs in the world. This guy, he started gold ETFs. And so, and that's a commodity. Gold is a commodity as well. And so I had another article as well, but I didn't want to fucking bore you too much. But he said that, these guys are all different. They all took their price discovery from exchanges, these crypto exchanges. He's taking his from the CME. And I don't know, he's confident. Obviously, he's not going to say I'm not confident. I don't know, man. Maybe it'll work. But he says he's confident that the SEC will approve because they're going to take their price discovery from CME. There's been no problems over there yet. So, I mean, we'll see, guys. I don't want to get too excited anymore. I mean, the SEC just keeps denying. So, yeah, we'll just see when we get there. But I just wanted to bring up the story because, bang, we got another ETF in the pipeline. All right, let's see. We'll just see. We'll just see what the SEC says. All right, so look. Meanwhile, the race to launch the first regulated Bitcoin ETF is becoming increasingly competitive. Earlier this month's document revealed that Wilshire Phoenix Fund has updated its own Bitcoin ETF proposal filed with the SEC. Also this month, asset manager Bitwise confirmed that the intention to refile their application for Bitcoin ETF after the latest SEC rejection. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. They're going to refile. Right? Like, you don't get these guys keep filing and getting rejected. But they're like, we're going to try again. Because they know that there is a huge market for it, right? And they want to be the first to offer an ETF, at least here in America, right? Like over in Switzerland, right? We've been reading about them all year, right? In Switzerland, they got ETPs for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP. There was some other one, I think Zcash maybe or something like that. Something with a Z in it. And so they've been rocking and rolling, but it's only Switzerland. Switzerland's a small little country. Once you get an ETF rocking and rolling here in America, look. I mean, I'm not saying it's going to be the, it's not the complete answer, but it's something we need. So it's good. We have some boys went in there and filed a new one with the SEC. This guy that rocked the gold fund, he's the guy who made the gold ETFs in America. I didn't say that. Yeah, he's the first one. He made the gold ETF in America. And I read it to you a little bit, but I didn't mention that he's the guy who did it. Where is it? Yeah, gold shares. He did the Spider Gold shares. So that shares thing, he's got something he's doing with that shares. I don't understand what that is. I'm not going to bullshit you. I've never heard of something like that. And it's one of the largest in the world. So, this guy, he's got a track record, right? And so we'll see, brothers and sisters. Look. Well, that's all we can do. Just wait and see. All right. Let's move on. Where are we going here? Bye. Oh, some good news. That's right. Institutional investors buying the dip. Buy the dip, idiot. BTDI, boy. Look. You better recognize. Buy it when it's on sale. Bakkt volumes shoot up to hit all-time highs, ATH, as BTC, Bitcoin, price crashes. Of course, motherfuckers are diving in now that the price is going down. Look. Let's see. Hold on 1 second. Hold on a second. Whoops, shit. Hold on. 1 second, brothers. All right, let me see. There we go. All right, look. Bitcoin is bleeding today, having lost about $700 in a few hours. The leading cryptocurrency went down hard today, going as low as below 7,300. Where are we now again? 7.5. All right. Well, let's do a little refresh. Let's take a peek. Still around 7.5. All right. 7.3 on leading going as low as below 7.3 on Bitstamp, $7,300 on Bitstamp, but soon after it recovered $200 back. Currently, Bitcoin is trading at 7,500 with 24 hours losses of 8.38% as per CoinCodex. Reported trading volume, meanwhile, is over 20 billion on all spot exchanges and 653.5 million, up from 200 million last weekend on top 10 exchanges with real volume. Remember we read that thing about the exchanges with the real volume earlier this year? That's what Bitwise is trying to use for their to get the SEC to approve their ETF. Remember they were like, we're going to use these 10 exchanges because it's the real volume, right? A lot of the other volume on all these exchanges is like wash trading and just a bunch of bullshit, right? Currently, Bitcoin is... we read that. All right. So as Bitcoin takes a fall, institutions seem to have taken to buy this dip, as evident from the huge spike in the trading volume of Bakkt. Yeah, these guys aren't stupid. Buy the dip, idiot. BTDI. It's really BTDF, but look. I'm nice about it. Look, today Bakkt has been breaking into a new record one after another. At the time of writing, Bakkt's monthly Bitcoin contracts recorded a volume of 558 Bitcoin, equivalent of over 4.185 million at 7,500 for Bitcoin rate. We still have a few hours left in the day, so it's to be seen what will be the new record that Bakkt will make. So here's, Bakkt does its little tweets, today's volume, blah, blah, blah. They tell you all that every day. I told you about this volume bot, this Bakkt volume bot. I'm subscribed to it. So, it gives you a little thing every few hours about how they're doing. Given the fact that the day BTC price crashed, Bakkt volume took flight. It can be said that Bakkt's institutional investors are buying the dip and filling their bags. Yes, buy the dip, idiot. The current figure is a significant increase from just 72 Bitcoin the physically settled Bitcoin contracts platform got in just 24 hours of its launch. Up until now, actually, Bakkt has been a flopsk. Flopsk. A moniker given by economist and trader Alex Kruger. That's funny. Bakkt. Flopped. All right. In the light of disappointing volume registered by the ICE Bakkt platform in the past month. All right, so where are we at here? Daily trailing volume Bakkt. All right. I don't know if he spikes there. But all right. So could this mean Bakkt is finally starting to see the growth it was meant and expected to? Well, this time the surge in volume seems to be coinciding with the drop in Bitcoin price. So it's hard to tell if it's the sign that institutional interest in Bitcoin has come knocking in full force. But they sure seem to be all in this dip. Bang! Exactly. They buy the dips. They're buying the dips. That's why I don't worry about all this. They're piling in too. They're building their warehouses too. All right? They're not stupid. Yeah, there's a big old dip. Bang! Bakkt goes up. And so that's cool. It's cool. I don't know. There's not much else to say about it. Bakkt volume shoots up, and that is great for us. Look. Bang. All right, let's get some shout-outs. Yantra. What's this about? Yantra. Real estate broker, investor, interested in real estate, blockchain, and tokenization projects. Not a financial advisor. Bang. See you, Yantra. Look, Burks. Burks big airdrop. Bang, bang. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bye. Look at it. Bob. Haha. That's our brother from way back. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. He's always talking in my Twitter thing, but he never comes out here and I don't know. Anyway, look. Airdrop my Hurricane Master. Bye. Look. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. 420. Moon landing. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Sweetie. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Yes. Not much longer now. Bye. Yes, not much longer now. Look. Brendan C. Spy Lady. Thank you for the kind words, Brendan C. And for all of you guys. And you too, Stallion, and everybody. Thanks for the kind words in the comments last night. Bye. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bye. Yes. Bitcoin Gong. Oh, brought my favorite one back. Look. Let's watch Fatty. Love this one. Boom. Look. When Fidelity comes, your accounts are going to look like boom. When we get regulated, your shit's going to be all like boom. I know it's a hard time waiting, and this fucking sucks, but when it happens, it'll be all like boom, brothers. Look. One more for Fatty. Boom. Yes. Bitcoin Gong. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. It's been a while since we had, Mr. Fatty around. Look. What else we got around these parts? Rob Bang! Love you, brother. See you, brother. Oh, yeah, the C-SPAN thing. So I hope you guys went and watched it. You know, I'm gonna try to remember. Hold on, let me write that down. I'll pin it to the comments tonight. Facebook's Zuckerberg was in Congress yesterday, and so I tweeted it, but I'll pin it to the comments if you want to watch him. Oh, he gets a grilling, man. Democrats, they do not like Facebook, and you see what the Republicans are? The Republicans, I told you about them. Republicans all are about that bread, baby. Oh, you going to make some bread? Yes. And you see, they don't, they're not afraid of the Facebook thing. They're like, look, how are you going to make this money? How you gonna, like, they're down. So, look, I hope we get some, crypto regulations before Trump is gone. Because, this guy's not going to make it next year's elections. So if we can keep the Republicans are in power in the Senate. So they have the final vote. So if we can just get some regulations through to the Senate before Trump leaves, but we should get regulations. We'll see, brothers. Look. Master Barber Magazine. Bye. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. DP. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Ambitium. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. Thank you for the kind words, Master Barber. Great video as always. Prayers for you and your family. Bro, man, we'll see you when you're ready. Thanks, brother. Bye. I think Sweetie sent me something too. Sometimes it feels like you as politicians are looking the wrong way. And then she said, all this aside, God bless my favorite person in crypto. Yes. Prayers up. Bang, bang. All right, that's good enough. All right, here's a couple more down here. Let's look. Oh, Radster. Bang. Oh, your face is there. That's what Radster looks like. Look, Radster. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. And finally, Robbie Hardaway. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. All right, let's get to our things. Boom. Let's go. Boom. Bye. There we are. Look. All right, so we had a great show for you today, brothers. Oh, we're not even here yet. Bye. There we are. Bye. That's how we do it. Look. All right, Qtum hard fork. Oh, yeah. They're hard forked. They got all that fancy pants stuff right there. Upgrades. Look. It's like that movie, The Terminator, coming out, right? Oh, yeah, it's got upgrades. The deadliest Terminator ever to come out. So, Qtum, you've upgraded. The deadliest version of Qtum ever. Hard forking. Loving it. Bang, Qtum. All right. I don't even know what those motherfuckers do. Look. New Bitcoin ETF filing. So, look, I'm not getting too happy about it, but I like knowing that there's always something in the pipe. You know what I mean? I like knowing that at least some motherfucker is applying. You know what I mean? There's always the hope of an approval down the line. It's always disappointing when they deny or when these guys remove their applications, but it in your heart, it's just, well, all right. At least there's something else. Maybe. And this guy's interesting because he did the gold one. He was the first one to do this gold thing with this shares crap. I don't know how I had another article about it, and it got into it described it all, but I couldn't understand what the fuck they meant. So I just said, fuck it. I'll just read the simple article to you guys because I don't care. Just, are you going to approve this guy's thing or not? How he does it, I don't really care about the techie of it all. But the thing is about this guy is that he did do that. Like he got the first, this thing they've been planning this for over 2 years. Was that in the article? But anyway, I'm telling you right now, they planned it for over 2 years. And I don't know, he did that before. So, it became the biggest gold ETF. I don't remember if it was in the world or America only, but so he knows what he's doing. So we'll see. Like we've waited. The SEC has 90 days to answer, and then if they don't answer in 90 days, they have those other 112 days or something to extend their decision-making process. So we got, I think the total number of days between when you apply and when the ETF has to answer you is 214 days, right? Or something like that. Or 12 days. I don't remember. But So, we'll see when this comes. That's all we can do. Look. And finally. Yes, Bakkt volume is up. Big time. So look. Are institutional investors buying the dip? Well, someone's buying the dip. And I think Bakkt is only open for institutional investors. So, yeah, they're buying the dip. And so, we'll just see about Bakkt. You know what I mean? It was a little super underwhelming when they launched. And we'll just see how it goes. But like I said, I heard that today BitMEX, a lot of their futures boys got liquidated today. Stopped out is what we call it. It's not called liquidated. You got stopped out. And so we'll just see. So until tomorrow, brothers and sisters, bang, let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Subscribe below. Press the bell. You get automatic notifications when I do this show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Look, my name is Shomari Clarke. I love doing this. Love talking money. Love talking crypto. This is the favorite time of my day. So look, until tomorrow, thank you for having me in your home. And we'll be back at it tomorrow. Bye. My name is Shomari Clarke. I'm always on duty. Yes. Over and out.